My project was simple and inspired by designing Darren. It was a simple lantern and it's so cool. So I'll show you how to make it with just one medium-sized vase, one metal or cardboard top or bottom, one plastic race car track, Rust-Oleum satin white paint, hot glue, E6000 gems, and one notebook ring or key ring. Then you want to place a candle of your choice that fits your vase, and most of these items are from Dollar Tree. I waited till I assembled everything together and then I painted it. But if I had to do it over again, which I will start with painting each piece separately. So you will cut the plastic race car track in half, and then you will also cut the sides that are ridged on each side. Because if you don't cut off the sides that are ridged, the ridges prevent the glue from adhering effectively. So you want to cut off your ridges on the side, and then that's when you will want to paint them. You need to glue the racetrack to the sides evenly on each side. You will use your hot glue and your E6000 because when you pick it up, you do not want it to fall apart. So if you look at the race car track, you will notice there's two openings at the top. You want to keep those. Now you want to cut across them evenly, but you want to leave the two openings there. So once you have glued the top part, then you can take your notebook ring or your key ring and you can paint it or you can leave it whatever color it is. Mine happened to be gold, so I thought it went with my cold gold gems, so I left it like that. Next, you want to add your gems. So I added my gems on either side of the race car track and then around the can to give it a little glam look. And this is so easy and it's so simple and it looks so lovely. I am making a DIY candle holder using white stones. This will give the summer beach vibe a new look, and it is just the thing to help you to relax, refresh, and reset. The first thing that you will do is gather your materials. The items needed include Gorilla Hot Glue, E6000, a bag of small white stones, 3 bubble glass containers, plus a candle to put inside. With this project, you can start on the bottom of the vase. You will spread a little hot glue and some E6000 and start applying the stones. You will continue the process until you have completed the entire vase for the desired look that you would like. You can let it set for 24 hours and then in the morning you can style it. Since the stones come in different sizes, you can mix the sizes of the stones to get your desired look. Finally, you will clean up the hot glue webs that have settled on your stones, and it is not hard. You can brush it off or you can pick it off, whichever you would like to do. And wow, now you're ready for an evening on the beach. So let's look and explore and make your next project with Z9 Designs. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.